Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
You just use your browser and go to UTTOR.org, that is UTTOR.org, and then the game starts loading and you can play the game. The thing is, you can play the game only once a day and it loads very quickly and you play the game. And that is why it is one of the reasons that the game has become so popular both in English and in other languages like Konkani. So most of the family was getting addicted to the English version of Wordle. So I said, why not we translate this to Konkani so that kids can also play it in Konkani. Play this game which makes good connections in the brain. Kids can play it in their classrooms with their friends, and it can also be a group activity. So the big challenge was to get a good Konkani dictionary because there's not a good Konkani dictionary available. So after searching far and wide on the internet, I was able to get one dictionary and get going. Then after contacting some Konkani enthusiasts, I now have a much better dictionary. To keep the language and the culture alive, the number one thing that needs to happen is we need to continue to speak Konkani in our daily lives. Once that happens, then the culture will be reinvigorated and all of the other systems will fall into play. This is especially true for diaspora